Today guys, I'm drawing Goku in my style. So first of all guys, I'm drawing a rough sketches. These rough sketches done. Then I'm drawing details. So guys, Goku is my favorite character. It is very a nice character. I like it. I'm drawing Goku's hair. Goku's hair is very not difficult, nice. Head and hair is finished. Let's draw body. Then I'm drawing Goku's clothes. Guys, tell me what character I draw next. My cloth part is finished. Let's draw hand. Goku's hand was very nice. I like this hand. And then this character's hand, like the monster hand. I like. Then I'm drawing another hand of Goku. Then I'm drawing his leg side. It's very easy and cool legs. I like it. This time, I'll shade the Goku. Shading was nice. The light source came from right side. Last moment, my artwork is 70% finished. My drawing is finished. Do you like and subscribe? Bye.